Priyanka Chaturvedi, is the Shiv Sena going to say that we feel vindicated, the Maharashtra government? Because so far the CBI has not said that they are concurring with what the All India Institute of Medical Sciences has said. They will still continue their investigations.
Firstly, I'd like to say something here, Rajdeep, that we are grateful that some news channels have chosen to stick by the truth and the investigation and getting justice for the person who died an unfortunate death in the right manner, with the truth and justice in place. As far as CBI is concerned, I would not want to get into what CBI has concluded, what CBI is investigating, but what it goes on to say is the entire witch hunt against Mumbai police, Maharashtra government, as well as trying to implicate some people into this entire, I would say, investigation. We stand vindicated. Dr. Sudhir Gupta, though the AIIMS report is not officially released, but Dr. Sudhir Gupta's statement from your channel, that I hear from your channel, goes on to conclude that what Mumbai police was doing was a fair probe, and all the entire witch hunt that was going on was politically motivated and a politically driven, I would say, cause to kind of try and project the Maharashtra government in a bad way, the Mumbai police in a bad way, the Maharashtra police in a bad way. So yes, we do stand vindicated. However, we would ensure and we would continue to cooperate with the CBI because that is what the Supreme Court expects of us.
Could you all have handled it better? Could this entire matter have been handled better right from the very start if you all had been more forthcoming with information, not gone also the Mumbai police in the fishing expedition that they did, where they were summoning one star after the other? Much of this perhaps could have been nipped in the bud itself. Do you believe that this is part of a wider political conspiracy? Is that what you're telling me, to bring down your Maharashtra government?
Absolutely. Forget bringing down the Maharashtra government, which nobody has the guts to do and nobody can afford to do. What we can categorically see is the chronology behind it. Here is a Maharashtra government which is being accused of many other things besides trying to cover up an investigation, while the Mumbai police was accused of many other things. How do you say that Mumbai police was not doing its job? What witch hunt are we talking about? Running after individuals? What is the NCB doing? What, for that matter, is the CBI doing? It has been since 26 July. 26 July was when Sushant Singh's family went on record in an FIR in Bihar to say that there was an abetment to suicide and it should be transferred to CBI. Where do we stand now? We are in the middle of October now. We are on 3rd of October, and there is nothing that is conclusive to say that there was something which was, I would say, secretive about the death, or there was something which was beyond the suicide that he committed. One second, that he committed. AIIMS report goes on to conclusively prove that this was a suicide, and this is what Mumbai police was investigating. Individuals have been called even by NCB, individuals have been called by the CBI, individuals have been called by Enforcement Directorate. I will not even want to get into the entire one-on-one conversations that they would have had, or even try and cast aspersions on the investigation. The investigation is ongoing. However, the AIIMS report goes on to conclusively prove what the Cooper Hospital had come across, and Cooper Hospital's conclusions. Cooper Hospital employees were troubled day and night, were hounded day and night because of their conclusions. And this is what the CBI findings and AIIMS finding is, after forensic experts have been brought in. So all I'd like to say is that those people, including the person who is in charge of Bihar and the former chief minister's wife, who went on to cast aspersions on Mumbai police, at least offer an apology to Mumbai police.
That is exactly my final question, for which I want a quick response. When you say apology, is it just that you want the former Bihar DGP today to give you an apology, who's of course joined a political party now, or do you want the news channels which ran this campaign, including in a way trying to bring in the Shiv Sena Chief Minister's son Aditya Thackeray into this? Do you want an apology? Why don't you take legal action? Or are you simply now feeling that enough is enough, we'll move on?
You know, there are three things I'd like to say, Rajdeep. One is that truth will always prevail. whatever your bad intentions, whatever your motivations, whatever your political intent might be, or your narrative building might be, truth will reign supreme. And that is what has happened in this particular case. Second, with regards to one DGP of Bihar Police, I think people of Bihar would be the best judge of how he conducted himself as far as this particular investigation was concerned, where he worked like a political appointee of a political party to further the cause of a political front to come and take charge of, the government when the elections happen. And he himself now stands to contest for an election if he's given a ticket. The unfortunate way that he began his election campaign. And the third point I'd like to say with regards to the media, I think as far as y'all are concerned, y'all have done a fair investigation, but there are some sections of the media who are now actually brazenly going on record to say, has injustice been done to Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation? I think they need to look within. The kind of investigation that they launched, the kind of behavior, the kind of norms that were broken, I hope they look within before they try to accuse the governments, they accuse the investigation agencies, before they accuse the Mumbai police or the Maharashtra police for being free and fair as far as the investigation is concerned. I think the AIMS report conclusively proves that Mumbai police was doing its job and doing its job as per what is expected of any investigation agency to do.